How to whiten your dirty and greasy dish towels without spending too much time cleaning your towels. With these few ingredients you will be able to remove all stains. You will stop spending money on soap and fabric softeners. Here I have dirty towels that I will easily eliminate all stains. To start today's tip, you will need to use a basin. The first ingredient I'll be using will be a spoonful of dish soap. Use the one of your choice. Soon I will also use baking soda. The ideal amount to use will be only 3 spoons. Now we're going to mix it all up really well. And the last element that we're going to use is going to be the lemon. We're going to use 2. First I'm going to squeeze out all of the liquid and then I'm going to add your peels. Lemon peels are indispensable for this mixture. Once this is done, we will add the dirty towels. Remember that the more towels and cloths you use, you will have to increase the amount of ingredients, or if you prefer, you can repeat the whole process. Lastly, we're going to add some hot water. I'm going to add 2 liters. We must mix to dilute all detergent and baking soda. And after mixing, our tip will be ready. I'll mix again to make sure all the product penetrates the fabric of the towels and then let it sit for 4 hours. I will place the basin with the product and the towels in a better place of use. After resting the 4 hours, you just have to rub it with your hands. Without needing much effort, all the stains and dirt will come out of the fabrics. The double baking soda with lemon is unbeatable for household cleaning, cosmetics, and many other day-to-day activities. With incredible properties and diverse uses, this is a potent blend. Together, the effects of baking soda and lemon add up, creating stronger formulas. Lemons, baking soda, and other natural homemade cleaners do a fabulous job of cleaning, disinfecting, removing stains, and more. Baking soda has properties that can remove dirt from many surfaces. In turn, lemon juice is antibacterial. Never put pure baking soda on the fabrics, as they can be damaged, so it's best to dilute it first. This amazing trick also works with stains on clothes and fabric shoes. Do this amazing tip and put an end to dirt problems once and for all. I want to thank everyone who has watched me so far. A big hug and see you in the next video.